excited to welcome you here today for our innovation event as we show you how to work smarter and not harder so you can get things done in this digital age.
And what I want y'all to do is create a list of 100 problems that your perfect client has. That's 100 things that your service fix. Every one of y'all businesses got it. And if you say, hey, Dontel, I can't do this, what that means is you only focus on the top 10. That's what everybody else is focused on. And you will not stand out. I want you to start at 21 to 100. And that means you going deeper. The deeper you get, the more you connect.
The finance knowledge, being able to understand how money works, being able to understand how leadership works.
I was inspired by my sister. She also has her own business, and since this is a business school, I was inspired to start my own business that involved cooking. So I decided to make cupcakes.
Being an entrepreneur is hard. It is very hard. And you have to show up. You have to show up every day. You have to show up when your employees don't show up. You have to show up when your vendors don't show up. You have to show up constantly. So, being a small business owner and entrepreneur, I like to give you guys a lot of the lessons learned that I've learned, as well as my other colleagues, other coaches, other experts that I work with. I want to be able to share these things with you so you don't have to make the same mistakes.
Believe that small businesses don't require a business license. They feel that, I guess, because it's only a little side hustle or, it's not as big as the name brand stores, they don't need business licenses. But in fact, you do need your business license.
We know people love accessibility and convenience. So the idea of digital menus in the parking lot seems like a winner for us. You drive up, you scan, you get the menu on the website, you place your order and it comes to you in your car. You don't have to come out. That accessibility.
So you can decide how you want to make the levels of your me time, because it's just basically about taking time to do soft life, because soft life is in, and to treat yourself so you get to be able to do it at home.
We also think one of the biggest takeaways from what Flow is offering us is the ability to upscale our marketing. And this will really help us in pushing the demand for our services and letting more entrepreneurs know that there are developers here in the Caribbean, there are engineers here in the Caribbean.
And now it's the big one. I'm thrilled to share. In first place, and very deserving, is Kanisha Sylvester from the Fresh Press Factory of Trinidad and Tobago.
I feel so good, I feel blessed, and I just want to share something with the audience and to persons in general. I actually did enter this competition before this year. I had it as my, you say write it down. I wrote it down and I stuck it up. And it did not happen earlier this year. And I just wrote next to it, not yet. And it just comes full circle to show, when you're resilient and you really want something, you keep pushing and you keep working, success will be yours. Once you stay praying and you stay consistent, it will be yours in your time.
A huge congratulations to not only the 5 finalists, but like I said before, to the more than 100 business owners who entered the Pitch Challenge today. We watched every video entry and it was incredibly difficult to even get down to those 5, let alone the 3 finalists as well. The entire BDC business and Flow business team were blown away by the tenacity and the creativity of these business owners. And it's truly a testament to the entrepreneurial spirit right across the Caribbean. It is so validating for the work we do at BDC Business and Flow Business in supercharging small businesses across the region. We're not just here to provide your internet connection. We want to be your ally, making it easy to take your business online for greater success and being with you every step of the way. That's why we get out of bed in the morning. It's what motivates us. It's what we do.